In this video, I'll show you how to add a flip animation in Squarespace. Now, the first step is to head over to the description of this video, and in there you will find a link for a browser extension. Now, once you click on the link, this is the page you are going to see. Now, in here, you will automatically be taken to the Chrome Web Store and you will find the Squarespace ID Finder. Now, what you could also do is simply head over to Chrome Web Store, and from there, you want to head over to the search bar, which is at the top. And in there, you want to search for Squarespace ID Finder, and it will be the same thing. Now, in order for you to add this within your browser, what you want to do is simply head over to the right hand side and click on Add to Chrome. Don't worry if you don't have Google Chrome as your browser, this will work on any types of browsers. Once you click on Add to Chrome, you will automatically see a pop-up, and what you want to do is simply click on Add Extension. Once that's done, what you want to do is simply check if the extension was successfully installed within your browser. And to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, simply click on the Browser tab. Once you do that, you will automatically see Squarespace ID Finder as one of your extensions. Now, what you want to do is simply head over back to Squarespace, and from here, you want to go to the navigation panel on the left hand side, and under Website, what you want to do is simply click on Pages. Now, once you were on the Pages section on the left-hand side, you want to scroll down at the very bottom, and in here you will find Custom Code. Simply click on the drop-down for Custom Code, and from here, you want to click on Custom CSS. Now, on the left-hand side, as you can see, we have here a blank slate. What you want to do is simply head over to the description of this video again, and in there you will find a block of code. Now, what you want to do is simply highlight the whole block of code, copy it, and then head over to the blank slate, which is on the left hand side. You should see number 1. Simply click on that one, and from here, press on Ctrl V to paste the code. Once you do that, as you can see, we now have a line of code on our custom CSS. Now, what you want to do is simply enable the Squarespace ID Finder extension. To do that, simply head over to the top bar again, and on the right hand side, click on the Extensions tab, and at the bottom, simply click on Squarespace ID Finder in order for you to enable it. Once you do that, as you can see, it will automatically reflect within Squarespace. In here, you will find the ID of a collection, a section, as well as a block ID. Now, what you want to do is simply scroll down to the section wherein it has your image. And I have here 3 images in which I want to add a flip animation. Now, what you want to do is simply head over to one image, and at the top, you will see its ID. What you want to do is simply click on an ID once, and once that's done, it will automatically copy. Now, head over back to the custom CSS code, and from here, what you want to do is head over to the first line. Now, on the first line, you want to highlight the hashtag, and at the end should be X, and press on backspace to delete. Now you will have a bracket left on the first line, and what you want to do is simply press on Ctrl V to paste the ID. Now, what you want to do is simply head over to the 6th line, and from here, you want to highlight the hashtag, and at the end, the X. You want to press on backspace to delete again, and from here, press on Ctrl V to paste the code. Now, whenever we hover our mouse on the image, as you can see, it will add a flip animation. Now you can also do this for different images. Now let's say you want to do this on the second image. What you want to do is simply head over to the left hand side again, and you'll be on the last line, which is the 8th line. You want to press on enter, and from here, you want to head over back to the description of this video, or what you could also do is simply highlight the 8th line until the 1st, press on Ctrl C to copy. Now head over back to the 9th line. Here, press on Ctrl V to paste, and what you want to do is simply head over to an image again, and at the top, simply click on its ID once. Now, what you want to do is simply head over to the 9th line. This will be our first line. You want to highlight the hashtag until the end of the ID, press on backspace to delete, and press on Ctrl V to paste the code. Now you want to do the same to the 14th line. You want to highlight the first hashtag until the end, and press on Ctrl V to paste the ID. Now, when we hover our mouse on the second image, as you can see, it will also add a flip animation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.